everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daizshanaemarie, and today I'm going to be showing you my updated skincare routine. Yes, you can have gorgeous skin like me.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm just kidding. Let's get started. First, starting off with clean skin, I went in with Peach and Lily's Ginger Melt Oil Cleanser. This, I did it twice because I did have a lot of makeup on yesterday and I am gonna be getting lashes done, so I was trying to get all my makeup off. This is a new addition, as you can tell. It was fine, but I did feel like I needed to do it twice in order to get a good cleanse, and then I followed up with my Naturium Vitamin C Complex Cleanser. This is clearly a fan favorite. I only have this much left. Actually, a lot of their stuff that I've used, Naturium stuff, I've been enjoying it. I've gotten their serums before. I used those all up, and their makeup remover. I've used that. I don't lean towards it, but it's not bad. I do enjoy it, but my favorite way is just taking some soap and removing my makeup rather than using an oil balm. Then now going into my toner. This is also a fan favorite. It's basically empty. I do have a full size, but it's packed away. So that's kind of unfortunate. I'm gonna have to either find it or I'm gonna have to buy a new one. This is the Beekman 1802 Milkshake Hyaluronic Acid and Squalene Facial Toner Mist. This is what I use right after I cleanse my face. This, it just gives me a nice hydrating feel. I don't know, I've just been obsessed with it. You can see how much moisture it adds to my face, and we love. I'm also an affiliate with them, so if you're looking for a discount code, I will have that in the description down below. Next, I am trying something new. I have a pimple, and I got this from Rosen Skin, and this is their breakout spot treatment. So it has an applicator concealer, and that's different. I thought it was gonna be a little brush, nail polish brush, but yeah, this isn't too bad. I haven't used it. This is gonna be my first time, and it has a minty smell to it. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Beekman Dream Booster Better Aging Serum. This right here, again, fan favorite, literally almost out. But I got a new serum from them, so I'm not gonna repurchase this one. Get down! Go! Holy shit. So recently I have been using the Dew Reviving Eye Gel, but I am almost out of the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, so I want to just finish this one up. This one I've been liking as well. I really liked having it in my skincare fridge. But the only thing I don't like is that the packaging is coming apart and it gets all over my hands. That's one thing I don't like about this. You might be able to tell that I'm a fan of this brand. I'm gonna go in with Beekman 1802's Vegan Goat Milk. This is it's for oil control, shine control. I don't really care about that. I like the way that this feels. When I first got it though, I didn't realize you had to shake it because it did kind of separate, so it was really liquidy and loose. But then when I shake it, it turns... Am I almost out? Okay. It turns back into a regular... Dang! Hold on. It turns into a regular lotion formula. Then for sunscreen, I like to go in with Abib. This is their Heartleaft Sun Essence. It has 50 SPF. I really like it. The only thing is it may be the thing that's pilling up my other skincare. For some reason, I don't know. Recently I've just been getting clumps of my skincare. I just can't tell what product it is because I've been using the same routine since like July. So skincare also includes your lips in my opinion. So I'm gonna go in with Topicals Slick Salve. This is their acai balm. I am also an affiliate for them, so I will leave a code down in the description if you would like to get this. I really like this. I like the formula of it. I like how thick it is. You can wear it as a lip mask. Well, I would wear the clear one as a lip mask so you don't get it like all over your sheets. But yeah, and like look at this color. And yeah, that is my skincare routine. I don't know. I've been really loving skincare. You can see it all up and down my TikTok page. And yeah, it just gives me like a healthy glow. Am I gonna go out with this pimple patch? I don't know. I mean, I'm going to a spa, so they should be fine with me having a pimple patch on there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you'd like to see an updated like everyday makeup routine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa.